Hello and welcome to The Update, where we're here to provide you with valuable financial insights, and today, a healthy dose of mental well-being. And in this video, we'll explore the power of mindfulness, reducing stress and anxiety. Because taking care of your mind is just as important as taking care of your wallet. If you're ready to find peace and reduce stress, hit that like button, subscribe to The Update, and let's get started. Before we dive into mindfulness, let's take a moment to understand stress and anxiety, common challenges in our busy lives. Mindfulness is a powerful practice that can transform your relationship with stress and anxiety. Let's explore what it is and how it works. Mindfulness isn't just a buzzword. It's a science-backed practice that offers numerous benefits. We'll dive into what it can do for you. Getting started with mindfulness is easier than you might think. I'll guide you through some simple techniques you can use right away. To truly reduce stress and anxiety, it's essential to incorporate mindfulness into your daily life. We'll discuss ways to make it a habit. Lastly, I'll share some additional resources and support that can help you on your mindfulness journey. And there you have it, the power of mindfulness, reducing stress and anxiety. Remember, a peaceful mind can lead to better financial decision-making and overall well-being. If you found these insights helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to The Update for more financial wisdom and mental health guidance, and share your thoughts in the comments. Here's to a more mindful and stress-free life. We'll see you in the next video.